Hey friends, I've got a song for us and an activity today. So this is a song and a piece of artwork. And I don't know if you know about this about me, but when I was about your age, I couldn't decide what I loved more. Being a visual artist, I love to paint and color and draw, or being a musical artist, I love to sing and make music. Well, this is kind of a little bit of both. So we're going to start with the music part of it. And for that, I'm going to use this interesting little instrument right here. This instrument is called a Shruti Box, and it comes from far away from the country of India. And what it is it's a special box. It can be folded up like this. You can pull this all in and lock it down with these little tabs right here, so you can carry it around. It's very portable. Doesn't take up a lot of space, but when you open it up, this side has holes where air comes in to these, which are called bellows. And when I squeeze these just with my hand, it pushes air through holes that are on the other side. Now this is used in India, like I said, to accompany singing music and to train the voice. So if you were studying music in India, you would use these all the time because it helps your ear hear the notes against which you are going to sing. And so I have this set up to use for our song called Starry Night. And this is a song I wrote about 2 years ago, back in spring of 2019. And I was inspired when I got to see the original Starry Night painting by Vincent van Gogh in the Metropolitan Museum of Art in New York City. It was so exciting to be there. There was a lot of crowd of people around. Everybody wants to see that one. In fact, that's the painting right here behind me that you're looking at right now. Okay, so it's pretty awesome. So here's how the song goes. It goes like this. Starry night, starry, starry night, I see infinity in your light. Moon is swimming in the sea, starlight rivers carry me, the silent sound of earth turns round. Okay, so let's break that down. The first part of the song goes like this. Starry night, starry, starry night. Sing that. I see infinity in your light. Moon is swimming in the sea, starlight rivers carry me. The silent sound of earth turns round. Three main parts, and they go like this. The first one. Starry night, starry, starry night, I see infinity in your light. So let's sing that whole thing together. Here we go. Starry night, starry, starry night, I see infinity in your light. Next part. Moon is swimming in the sea, starlight rivers carry me. Here we go. Moon is swimming in the sea. Starlight rivers carry me. The silent sound of earth turns round. The silent sound of earth turns round. How'd you do? Well, here's what you can do. You can sing with this video coming up next, and you can play with this video. Starry night, starry, starry night, I see infinity in your light. Moon is swimming in the sea, starlight rivers carry me. The silent sound of earth turns round. Starry night, starry, starry night, I see infinity in your light. Starry night, starry, starry night, I see infinity in your light. Starry swimming, starry, starry night, I see infinity in your light. The sun is swimming in the sea, starlight rivers carry me. The silent sound of earth turns round. Now we're going to make some artwork with this, but I want to try a new digital painting tool for you. It's through a website called toytheater.com, and they have lots of fun games that are for art and math and music and science. There's a whole bunch of things that you can get to, but we're going to go to this website's Doodle Pad. Google this: Toy Theater Doodle Pad. Those 4 words are going to give you this website. It'll be the first thing that pops up on Google if you type in Toy Theater Doodle Pad. In fact, you could even just do Toy Theater Doodle. It'll come up first thing. Click on that link and it will take you to toytheater.com, and it will be their Doodle Pad section. And I'll show you what that looks like here and how you can work with it. Okay, so if you are in toytheater.com, in their Doodle Pad, you're going to get a page that has this on it. Now, there are pictures down the side. Doodle Raccoon looks like, Doodle Whistler, Doodle St. Patrick's Day. You can pop these up and have them as a coloring book, and kind of like this one looks like a coloring book, or you could draw faces on the raccoon. That's fun to do too. But for now, let's start off with a blank screen. That way you can paint whatever you like on here. You've got the colors down here. So I'm just going to do a quick little starry night painting. I'm going to choose blue. Oh, look at all these blues I could choose from. I'm going to make it a nice deep blue here. And then this little dot right up here, this is our paintbrush. Now I want it bigger than the little dot. I want a big brush. I want a big fat brush because I want to color the whole sky. And I'm just going to go back and forth. You notice how the controls go away up the top. And I don't have to worry about coloring it all in. In fact, I won't. I'll just let it go. But as soon as I'm done coloring, these pop back up again. And in this middle one, I can choose a different color of blue. Maybe I want this lighter one. On a smaller brush, maybe I want some of these beautiful little shades here. So maybe, let's do the stars. Let's do some stars. So I'm going to make yellow. I like this yellow. It's pretty nice. And I'm going to make it pretty big. I'm going to make it like this big. What is going on? Why is it doing that? Oh, there we go. I'm going to make it this big. And maybe I'll make a smaller one, like this medium size, for the swirls in the sky. I'm going to do some swirls, and maybe I'll go back to the bigger one. I'll make a moon over here. There we go. And maybe another few stars here and there and over here. And now maybe I want some oranges. Maybe I want some orange in here. And so I'll make a little smaller brush, and I'll paint some orange in here, just some little orange circles in the dots. And I'm kind of being messy, but that's okay. You can be messy too, or you could be neat. It's your style. Now I'm going to do the ground. I want the ground. Let's make the ground. Let's make it dark green. I think the ground would look dark green. I want a big brush for that. So I'm going to go over the ground, whoop, and I'm going to make it dark green. Oh, look at that, beautiful dark green. Yeah, not even going to worry about filling it all in. And then I want that black cypress tree thingy right here. Wait, where's black? Uh-oh. Don't worry. Black is actually white. If you click white, you get all the whites and the grays all the way down to black. So there we go. Now I've got my black in here, and I'm just going to make this shape here with the cypress tree. There we go. Kind of fill that in a bit. Maybe some houses in brown. Yeah, I like those. I'm going to make them smaller, though. Little houses here, little houses everywhere. Yeah, they're kind of messy, but that's okay. Maybe a little blue steeple. That church steeple's looking blue to me, so I'm going to use that shape. I'm going to make this into a church steeple right there. Look at that. And now I've got my very quick version of Starry Night. You can take your time on it. I didn't. But I hope you enjoy that. See what you come up with. Starry night, starry, starry night, I see infinity in your light. Moon is swimming in the sea, starlight rivers carry me, the silent sound of earth turns round. Starry night, starry, starry night, I see infinity in your light. Starry night, starry, starry night, I see infinity in your light. Starry night, starry, starry night, I see rivers carry your light. The sun is swimming in the sea. Starlight rivers carry me, the silent sound of